Hi, and thank you for joining me here today at 1040 Summit Street in the heart of Italian Village. We are here today in this beautiful, historic, updated home. Come on inside. Let's take a tour. As we enter into the home, you see this beautiful entryway. Nicely vaulted wood finished ceilings. Beautiful stone. This is the entryway. And as we make our way here to the left into the living room, you do see the beautiful fireplace. Every room that you do come into downstairs here has the beautiful wood ceilings that are finished. Hidden behind the fireplace here in the living room is an awesome little nook that can be used for many things. You can use it for storage, a crafting room, a library, sitting reading room, man's cave, children's room to play. The options are endless. We'll make our way back through the living room. Back here in the entryway is the first floor laundry room with stackable washer and dryer. Off to the right is the newly updated kitchen with hardwood flooring, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, dark wood cabinetry with lots of storage. Again, all stainless steel appliances, side-by-side refrigerator, freezer, and some more cabinet storage space. Off the kitchen here is the mudroom. Lawnmower does come with the unit. Tenant is responsible for landscaping, mowing, flower beds. Off the mudroom here is another separate room. Can be used again as an office, a reading room, a crafting room, man cave, women cave. Let's check out this backyard. This is a nice sized spacious backyard. It does have a privacy fence all around it. The back gates here do open to allow one vehicle to pull in to park in the backyard, while there are also two additional parking spots right on the other side of that fence. As you can see, the backyard is nice size, plenty of room for entertaining. Does come with central air. Let's go back in and check out the rest of this house. You can visit us at www.propertymanagementpros.com or by contacting us at 614-505-6212. As we make our way back to the kitchen and entry room, we will make our way to the second floor. There have been a lot of upgrades here in this house. It is absolutely exquisite. So we get up to the top of the steps. I will pan around here to the hallway. Make our way down the hallway into our first room. This would be considered the master bedroom. which also does have ceiling fan, high voltage ceilings, track lighting. We are at 1040 Summit Street in Columbus, Ohio. This location is very convenient to lots of fine dining within walking distance. As we leave the master bedroom, we will come to our second bedroom. As you can see, the beautiful exposed brick throughout the house. And we have the vaulted ceilings, the track lighting, and ceiling fan. We will now come into the third bedroom. This bedroom does not have a ceiling fan, but it does have the vaulted ceilings with track lighting. Our last room upstairs is the bathroom. It is newly upgraded with beautiful ceramic tiling, matching vanity, the shower does have dual head showers, one on each side. This will conclude our tour today at 1040 Summit Street, Columbus, Ohio. Please visit us at www.propertymanagementpros.com or by calling us at 614-505-6212. Let's schedule a tour today. We thank you and have a wonderful day.